DRPS 2.
Without license? Problema yan. So para iwas aberya, RAC Driving School is here to help. RAC Driving School, One-Stop C and PDC or Practical Driving Course. Hindi ka bibitawan. Visit RAC Driving School beside LTO Building, Gumaca, Quezon. RAC Driving School. Kumpleto. Panalo ka dito.
DRPS 2.
RAC Driving School. Sila ang bahala sa'yo.
DRPS 2. DRPS 2.
Malapit na malapit lang sa office ng LTO at Barangay Panic